Volkswagen T4 Transporter. It's a 1998. I just took off the front bumper. It was pretty easy. The grill has to be taken off first, and then a couple of metric 13s holding it on the top, and then a few metric 10 here, and then all comes off. And then I took off the fender from the side, just for the sole purpose of cleaning up the mud and debris here. It was up to here, this much of debris, and it also here too, inside, which is pretty bad. I'm going to clean it up with a vacuum cleaner, and it's all wet. We are in winter right now. So the way it got here, the mud, it's down from below here. There's a cleaning hole or drain hole which was not filled, and all the mud came up from the wheel. And this area down here with the leaves and stuff, this is not all. There was whole much more came from here. One of these holes are for the antenna, and the other one is just a simple drain. And the solutions people do, wow, this is rusty here. The solutions people do here is they put a screw in there with a hole on it, and then a hose, a drain hose, which comes down here. Most of the time they put it here, and then comes down somewhere around here, and this will avoid most of the crap falling into here. But this area is also the ones that has to be filled, because all the leaves will come in as the car goes. The wind pushes it in there. Pretty much this thing is set up to fail, I believe. Well, this thing is good thing that I took it off, otherwise it would be gone. Hello, what's up, buddy? This little 1 month old, 4 or 5 weeks old lab. Okay, I hope this helped and gave you good tips. Bye.